Merry Twixmas!
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Jay.
I'm Hayley.
And this is our adventures are out there. Today we are down on the south coast in the UK at the beautiful, very nippy but beautiful Hengistbury Head. Goes back to upper Paleolithic times, and there's ancient sites and there's nature reserves and a huge headland, and we're going to go for a bit of an explore. So join us for a bit of an adventure. We'll map this one and tell you where we're going, and yeah, let's see what we can find today.
Bye.
Thank you Google and Wikipedia for the history lesson. So yeah, Hengistbury Head, down on the south coast near Christchurch. We will pop the postcode in for the car park and show you the car parking prices and stuff as well. Beautiful place, great for dog walking. There's cycling available here, some cycle paths. They do have a land train as well that takes you out to the spit, and we'll take you all the way around there as well. But yeah, let's have a bit of an explore, babe. It's did you have a nice Christmas?
Yes, thank you. Lovely.
Good. Alright guys, so on top of the headland, that is Swanage over there and Old Harry Rocks, where we've been before. Coming round to Sandbanks, Bournemouth, coming over to Christchurch on a lovely shadow, you're welcome. Coming over to the Wife, that is Christchurch and Motherford. Then behind her is Hurst Castle, and then behind the Coast Guard lookout point is the Isle of Wight. Right, this is the old quarry from Victorian times, and yeah, we're about halfway along the actual head now, so walking towards the Isle of Wight, and we'll show you the view up there, guys. But yeah, beautiful morning. Hopefully you guys are all out having your own adventures and burning off your leftover turkey, I'm guessing, mince pies, and we are currently fueled by leftover mulled wine. So yeah, cheese, yeah, a lot of cheese. If anybody likes cheese, shout us in the comments. We might be able to supply you for the rest of the year. Just let us know. And before anybody starts moaning in the comments that I got close to the edge of the cliff, I didn't. I've got a huge selfie pole, so Alright guys, this is the head of the spit. That's the Isle of Wight, just over there to the right, and some birds flying south for the winter. And then this is Hengistbury Head spit and Muddyford spit. So these are the steps off of the head down onto the beach. If you are of reduced mobility, however, do not fret. Whilst you might not be able to go all the way up onto the head, there is a service road because of those beach huts that are down here and the restaurants and things. There is a service road where the land train goes, so it's tarmac road. Very scenic road still. You still do go past in the bay, so you still get some of the views and things on that side. But yeah, it's tarmac until you get just to the calf when the sand all washes up onto the actual road. But if you are in a wheelchair or of reduced mobility or anything, then you can still have a little bit of an adventure as well. So it's a great place to come to. Alright guys, and off the headland and down onto Muddyford Sandbank, home to the UK's most expensive beach hut. If you're interested, 575 grand it went for in September. That's, do not adjust your sound, 575 grand for a beach hut. I mean it's stunning, don't get me wrong, I don't know which one it was, but it is a stunning view. So they do get the sea on this side, and if they're high enough up then you can get into the bay the other side, which we'll walk around to in a little bit. But yeah, 575 grand, what can you say? Worth mentioning, there aren't any toilets up on the head. However, there are toilets here out on the spit, and back at the cap at the main car park as well that we showed you guys earlier. So if you do get caught, or you want to make a day of it and have an actual day on the beach and things, then yeah, easily done here. Loads of facilities, and say food, toilets, showers, so yeah. Alright guys, this is Christchurch Harbour, so just stopped for a little pit stop, a bit of any coffee. There's the jetty, and Hengistbury Head is just behind that jetty there. Jetty, you can get a ferry, so ferry will pick you up there, it's only a couple of quid, and takes you just over there to Mudderford side, on Mudderford Quay, and we are going to take a stroll up there now. Alright guys, made it to the end of the spit now, so this is Mudderford Quay, just there. That's where the ferry will drop you off if you picked it up from the jetty, just back where we were. Yeah, beautiful day out, loads of people come here in the summer for crabbing. We're actually quite surprised. We were reading up just to give you guys a little bit more info and to appear intelligent where we can. 1 million people visit Hengistbury Head every year, which astounds us, absolutely astounds us, because it's never, you're never here and it feels really busy. They do have nesting birds sometimes through the years, so rare birds rock up, so they have to fence bits off. Obviously always look at the rules, dogs on leads, all of that type of stuff when you get to particular bits and particular times of the year. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Cannot recommend this place enough. Alright guys, so this is the turning area for the land train, as if that sign isn't clear enough for you. And yeah, they turn around here, pick you up at the hut, and this is where you pay, and it follows the tree line all the way along on the tarmac road. So yeah, if you're on a bike or with a pushchair or with reduced mobility, that might be the best way for you guys. We however are going this way today because it's low tide and it's not stormy. If it is high tide and windy or rainy, this is just not the way to go, and we'll show you why. You'll probably see already. But yeah, we're going for a little bit more of an explore, so let's see what we can find over here. Jinky Bridge! So yeah, this bridge gets absolutely battered in the storm. And as you can see, it used to start here, because that's where the water used to be, and then the water's just gradually built a sandbank and moved itself further along, and now the bridge doesn't cover the water, and they fixed it sort of with a bike jump in the middle. It's interesting, it's nice, it's entertaining. And as you know, with this channel, see our other vlogs, we do like the path less ventured. It does make it a little bit more interesting sometimes. Alright guys, this is that tarmac land train path that we were talking about. It takes you all the way out to the spit. and just coming up to the visitor centre now. So Christchurch Priory, just there behind the bush. Beautiful morning. So people are just starting to turn out now, so it's about 10 o'clock in the morning now. But yeah, absolutely beautiful day. Bit nippy. So that's the Hiker's Cafe and the car park, guys. We are heading this way to add some steps on. We'll show you in a bit. So the cycle path is there on the left, and the pedestrian path is here straight ahead. Alright guys, this is Wickmead. It's just northwest of Hengistbury Head, so you don't need to travel or drive or anything like that. It's, you can just walk straight over, as we showed you earlier. So there's a bike path over the left hand side, and this is the path for dog walkers and walkers without dogs. But yeah, beautiful little area, so we're just adding on about 3,000-4,000 steps, isn't it babe, on this bit? But yeah, just adds a little bit more on. We didn't go to the beach today at Hengistbury Head, so we did show you it at the start. But yeah, you can walk if you don't want to actually go up onto the head and do the Heathland bit. You can just walk around the beach and onto the spit. But yeah, beautiful little area, beautiful little adventure today. So hopefully it's inspired you. But yeah, if you are visiting here, don't forget to give us a shout on Facebook and let us see your pictures and efforts as well. And if there's anywhere you think that we should be exploring, again, give us a shout and let us know. That's it for us guys. We are off back to the car park now. We're finishing on 15,000, which is enough for a Twixmas break. We're off to eat some more cheese and consume our body weight in mulled wine. If you've liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. It does mean the absolute world to us, and yeah, supporting us in trying to help people get out and adventure to new places, or reconnect with places that they've lost, or see places that they unfortunately can't visit themselves anymore. That's what we're all about. So yeah, if it's helped you, or you think anybody might benefit from seeing what we do, then yeah, give it a little bit of a share. And anything else you can think of, my love?
No, just thank you for watching.
Where are we off to next?
Who knows?
Who knows, indeed. It's going to be a random one, the next one. So yeah, we'll catch you there, guys. Take care and stay safe. Have a great one.